Hello traders, today I am going to start a market update video. I am in the BTC USDT chart. So BTC is not move today. So we can see a new trading opportunity in the ADA USDT chart. Let's move to ADA USDT chart. Actually, you can see a triangle pattern. There is a descending. That is a falling wedge pattern, not a triangle pattern. This is a falling wedge pattern, and you can see a this area is confluence in a support zone, horizontal support zone. This is a strong horizontal support zone, and this area is confluence this support, this trend line and this support zone. And if create this candle is a bullish, this if create a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, this area we can consider the enter a new trade. So other trading opportunity is ICP USDT chart. Now you can see a bullish candle is not created yet. There should be a morning star candlestick pattern, and this chart is same to ADA chart and a strong support area. This support area is previous strong support area. You can move to weekly chart, refresh the chart, enter the logarithmic, and you can see that this is a huge strong support area. Previous, this is the chart bottom level in all time. This area bottom level, and now move to daily chart of logarithmic. Now we are in the regular USDT chart, and you can see there is a strong support area, and not only strong support area, there is a bullish engulfing not bullish RSI divergence. And if create a morning star candlestick pattern, we can consider the ICP long position. So I have a other trading opportunity in the IMX chart. Go to IMX, and you can see a support area. And now move to weekly chart. Actually, weekly chart in this area is a bottom, all-time bottom level. Now this falling, there is a falling wedge pattern, and now is break this falling wedge pattern and create a strong bullish engulfing candlestick pattern in this area. We can consider the another trade in IMX USDT chart. This is maybe this is a good trading opportunity. This will be a good trading opportunity. So now we'll see my trades in Ethereum chart, but not move yet. And other, now you can enter this trade, this area. This should be going upward move in next few weeks. And I have a Litecoin trade, but you can't enter now this trade. And another trade in Algo USDT chart, also you can't enter this trade now. So today I teach you another interesting trading topic, that is how to create a candle. You can draw the candlestick, and there is a shadows. So there is a candle. How to create a candlestick? So this candle create, there is a bullish candle. We thought there is a bullish candle. And how to create a bullish candle? Bullish candle is start this lower level. This is opening price, and market is going this area open, and market is going downward, and next market is going upward this area. This is the highest point. This is highest point, and mm, next market is going down area. This area is close price. This area lower price. This is a uh, when how to create a bullish candle. This area is the opening price. This is lowest price, and this is highest price, and this is a close price. This is a how to create a bullish in the bullish candlestick pattern, bullish candle. And so today I conclude my video, and I wish you all best happy new year. Thank you.